Hello, welcome to the Rivulis Hydraulic Tool training series. In this series, we will address the very first step in using the Rivulis Hydraulic Tool, which is creating a user and password. Head over to ht-rivulis.com and here you will find this screen where you can either enter your user and password in case you already have an account, or click on register if you want to create a new account. I want to remind you that the Rivulis Hydraulic tool is a free and easy to use tool for everybody, so for farmers, dealers, subcontractors and so on. All you need to do is fill in this information in these fields and you will get instant access to a account which you can then use to do various hydraulic calculations. So enter your first name, we will use test1 as an example, last name test2, email test@test.com, organization, as you can see, this is not a mandatory field, occupation is not a mandatory field, country is a mandatory field, so let's say Argentina, for example. Here you need to introduce a preferred username and password. So let's say we want test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and random password. After completing all these fields, all you need to do is click submit. Username already exists. Okay, let's create a new username. Try to choose a unique username and password to increase your chances of finding that username available. So after we fill in all the information, all we need to do is click submit. Then we will receive this information that tells us that the user is registered successfully and an email has been sent to the email address that we filled in during this registration process. Okay, that's all you need to do. Thank you.